got it made, better look again. I got a butler, got a maid, and a mansion. Belief is that I'm living out a millionaire's fantasy with phantoms and Ferraris in the driveway. See, it came in exchange of a sane man's sanity. Your vision dated by the Grammys on the mantelpiece. Just switch your camera lenses, you would see the agony appearing in the damages. And you see before you on the canvas, he may seem alright, but all the disadvantages. His family encounters overshadows his extravagance. Walk in my nines a while, I dare you with a scare you while it's